got around the burgundy. I done this in another color, and then I decided to do the burgundy again. So this is one of our designs. The last pieces were just pushing out, like I said. So still doing demos, okay, for the last pieces. This must go, all must go. So I have been doing a series, like I said in my last video, I've been doing a series. Please feel free to scroll down my pages on Instagram or my channel on YouTube, okay, to see the earlier videos I had done, okay, or you can go to our website www.loisnichols.com to see our range of designs, okay. Trust me, there is so much more, okay, than this that I'm showing you, so you don't want to miss out. Go check us out, okay. Remember, Nicole Fashions is the home for everything beautiful, okay. So if you love beautiful things, you love fashion, you're gonna love us, okay, at Nicole Fashions. All right, so this is the burgundy, okay, from the last design that I just showed you. This is the burgundy. I thought to, and it fits what I'm wearing so well. Oh gosh, I love them because they're so easy to put on. You're easy to store, easy to manage, saves time, saves money, saves energy. Just wear it, slap it on your head like a cap, and you are good to go, okay. So that's me on the burgundy. All right, until I see you with another color, another design, don't touch that dial. Stay tuned. More designs, more colors coming your way very, very, very soon. All right. Link to our online store is in the bio. Okay. Come check us out. We've got loads of goodies for you. Ciao.